In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a Google Map section to your Shopify theme. This guide is perfect if you're looking to give your customers a better idea of where your business is located right on your Shopify store. We'll be going through the entire process step by step, so let's dive in. First, begin by logging into your Shopify admin account. It's crucial to have administrator access because we'll be making some changes to the theme. Once you're logged in, navigate to the left-hand side of the dashboard and click on Online Store. This option is your gateway to making visual and functional changes to your website. Within Online Store, you'll see Themes at the top of the list. Click on it because we're aiming to customize the appearance of your Shopify store. Now, under Themes, find the theme you're currently using and click Customize. This will bring you to the theme editor, where you can see your store as customers do and make adjustments accordingly. The goal here is to create a section for Google Maps. Head over to the left sidebar within the theme editor and look for an option to Add Section. When you click on it, you'll see a variety of sections you can add. Scroll through until you find an option labeled Map or similar. Select it. This will insert a map placeholder into your theme. At this stage, we need to configure the map to display the correct location. In a new tab, go to Google Maps and find your business location. Click on the Share button that appears, and then select Embed a Map. Copy the iframe code provided. Now, switch back to the Shopify theme editor where that map section was added. There should be a field or box for inserting the map code or URL. Paste the iframe code you copied from Google Maps into this field. Adjust the map settings as needed. Often, there will be options to set the height and width of the map, allowing it to fit seamlessly with your store's design. Check if there are any additional customization options like zoom levels or map styles. These settings can be crucial in making the map appear just how you want it. Remember, once you're satisfied with how the map looks, save the changes. There's typically a Save button at the top right section of the editor. Always preview your store to ensure the map displays correctly and the layout looks professional. Bringing visibility to your physical location can enhance customer trust and drive foot traffic to your store. And that's it. You've successfully added a Google Maps section to your Shopify theme. Having a map can significantly aid customers looking to find your business location. Thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe for more Shopify tips.